Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is how I do a low ponytail with a middle parting. This is super glam and it's just one of them hairstyles that everyone should do at least once in their life because it just looks bomb. So you want to do a middle parting as far as your crown and then brush the rest of the hair back. This just gives it a little bit of a more smoother effect. If you do middle parting the whole way back your head, it looks a little bit more severe in my opinion. So I was thinking of ways to make this as simple as possible. And the simplest way is if you just brush all your hair back, get a thin comb with the teeth very thin together, and just keep brushing it back. If you do have bits of hair shorter at the front of your face, well then you'll just need to get some hairspray and to pin it all in. So get a small bobble to wrap around your hair and have a nice and low. This one broke, so it was actually a little too small. So then I got another one, and the only reason I say get a small one is because it's easier to cover with. So as you can see, the sides of my hair, they were sticking out a little because I do have shorter bits at the front, but I simply just brushed and brushed and brushed and got some hairspray. So then you just want to wrap a little bit of hair around the base of your bobble, the base of your ponytail to cover the bobble. I'm not sure if mine covered the full way, but it just covers it up and it gets rid of it and makes it look like one. So I would normally, if I was going somewhere, I would have definitely swapped out and looked for a smaller one. I was just in the middle of filming and just kind of wanted to get it done to show you so I could get it edited and up. But yeah, so this hairstyle is like one of the simplest and I absolutely love to do. Pair it with a halter neck top and some glam earrings, a statement lipstick, because if your hair is so plain, you can go very extravagant with everything else to do with your look and your style. So yeah, that's the end of the tutorial. I hope you enjoyed. Please like, comment and subscribe. I hope who's ever watching these out there is enjoying my little short videos on how to do the up styles. And again, of course, don't forget to tag me on Instagram if you tried any of these hair looks, and thank you so much for watching. Mwah!